Good morning. Past my night in this hotel. It's a little bit windy, and I did laundry. Everything I have on is totally fresh. Wonder if Tour de France was here a few days ago. Oh man, it's full, water is full, food is full, everything is full. It's not easy to hold this flock together. Bonjour. 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 Good wind protection thanks to these walls. Allez. So this is more than 10 meters per second. It can be really bumpy. Like this. That's not bad. They are really good prepared for tourism. Oh, le bec est loin. Oh. Here you can sunbathing, relaxing on your bike tour. Agence postale communale. Bonjour. Bienvenue dans notre village de Somme Delta sur Risle. One big happy family. Oh, dat is very mogelijk dat we erin, danke. They are a little bit stressed. What's this? Told me that this water is drinkable, potable. Actually, I'm starting. Oh, here with a brand new color. Do I hear a train? An old lady said it's gonna be dur. It's gonna be hard. Oh man, that's not all. Forget it. Oh, look, Ardennes doesn't have a number for this gradient. Oh man. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
I did it. I did it. This is their flag. I knew it's something reddish on a lion, a golden lion. far away. So, and now I have no idea, it's getting colder a little bit. I went into the shop only for one thing. I needed caffeine. Battery is out again. I'm looking for a camping spot. Be back soon. Good morning. The coast is welcoming us with very, very windy and wet weather. I tried to pack up this morning and then it started to rain really hard again. So I quick built up a shelter again, cooking coffee. Finally packed, but everything wet. That's not nice. I need to get out of this forest now, or I will turn into Robin Hood. It will be like one low pressure after another for like a week in this region. So I decided to go north, a little bit better weather there, not much, and shorten everything a little bit by, I don't know, 400 or 500 kilometers. And tomorrow should be a little bit more sun. Then I can dry everything. I'm not sure. Basel. Oh man. Low visibility. Here's better. But most of it was through a dark forest. I have light though, but so Komoot tried everything to keep me away from main roads. A little better weather and I would have stayed for a coffee. The thing is, I guess you see more than me through my glasses. Crazy bridge. Shit! Let's go through this. But then again, I feel more safe on this yellow thingy. Look at this bicycle lane they want us to ride over this windy bridge. Woo! Look! No! This is crazy. Oh man! Even still here. And it's still pissing milk. I needed the full program with these plugs. That was a long one. Let's take a break. Oh yes, it feels good to be moving again. It smells like puncture again here. Sun is coming out. Oh, is this another suicide bridge? Oh. All right, bye-bye, nice bridge. GoPro left, no more battery, but it's always 8 o'clock, time for night shelter. Good morning. This is some kind of shed for a tennis club that has been violated, and I wanted to sleep in here last night and dry everything, but there are rats, and oh, wow, did you see the rat? Or a mouse? Maybe it was a mouse or a baby rat. So I slept outside, and now everything is wet again. Because it's a kind of fog that rains. Or we are in the clouds in heaven. Look, all this is coming down from the roof. A lot of nice things here. Rockfall. That's where the cheese come from. Notre-Dame. It's raining less. They say we need to see this harbor.
Bonjour. Vous voulez remplir s'il vous plaît? Oui.
Thank you. Now we are going here. You can imagine there are still pirates around here. I think they come out at night. It's just, yeah, I lost a little. They must have had much stones to build with. Oh. You need to be a little masochistic to go all the way down again. At least one nice view. Obstruction still there. Yeah. The hills, I mean. The hills are still there. Whoa. Went to a shop, bought a lot. I had no pasta, I had no coffee, I had no spiritus. St. Quentin. Look, these clouds or fog, that's fog. We are going to descend into this Somme Delta. This is the way. I think this is the way, huh? No, it's not. Oh man. I don't think you can see it. Over there are the cliffs still. The shore lines over there. This is the Somme Delta. I found this place. I guess I stay here. And I guess there are some mosquitoes here. So I put up a tent. This is worse than Paris-Roubaix. Oh man, that was a mean one.